Welcome to SkillMasters, your ultimate destination for mastering new skills. Are you ready to unlock your potential and become a master of new skills? Today, we're diving into the world of how-to guides, where we'll explore everything from mouth-watering cooking recipes to jaw-dropping DIY home improvement projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total newbie, there's something here for everyone. So grab a pen and paper, because you're about to embark on an epic journey of learning and discovery. In this video, we'll start by tantalizing your taste buds with some delicious cooking recipes. From gourmet meals to quick and easy snacks, we've got you covered. Learn how to whip up a gourmet pasta dish that will impress even the pickiest eaters, or discover the secret to baking the perfect chocolate chip cookies that melt in your mouth. Get ready to take your culinary skills to the next level. But wait, there's more. We're also delving into the world of DIY home improvement projects. Say goodbye to outdated decor and hello to stylish upgrades that will transform your space. Learn how to paint like a pro, install new fixtures, and tackle those pesky household repairs with confidence. With our step-by-step tutorials, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with just a few tools and a little creativity. And as we wrap up, remember that mastering new skills isn't just about improving yourself, it's about unlocking doors to new opportunities and experiences. Whether you're whipping up a gourmet feast in the kitchen or giving your home a makeover, how-to guides are your ticket to mastering new skills and techniques. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have, and hit that subscribe button to join our community of learners and creators. Together, we'll continue to explore, learn, and grow. Until next time, happy learning. Like what you saw? Hit the thumbs up button. Got questions or suggestions? Drop a comment below. Want more awesome content? Subscribe to our channel. Join our community and let's learn together. Rock it.